So basically this is the only long hair that you have, and majority of your hair is this length.
Yeah.
How short are you planning to go? How much you're comfortable with it?
This is the maximum.
The shoulder, okay.
Yes.
That's quite good.
So I'm a bit scared.
Listen, short haircuts, if you do have the right face, the right features, the head shape is good, you should never worry about it, okay? When I look at your face, you get a beautiful oval shape. So even if the head is a little bit flat here, which means after I go shorter, you're not gonna get that much volume on the top, but you got other elements to take over. Your beautiful features, it should be more than enough to frame and give the haircut what it needs.
It's a big change.
No. Yeah?
Okay.
Ready for it?
Okay.
I mean, you came here already thinking about short, so mentally you're prepared. I didn't need to push you, which is good.
Yeah. Yeah, I knew that need a huge cut. And this
Again,
much is...
Again, the back doesn't
nothing.
need this much.
Yeah, but here.
The back, it doesn't need this much. Like you could leave it all the way to here and still good. But it's all the sides that it needs. So if you're looking for a change, we go short with everything. If you're looking for a healthy haircut, then we do have the option to keep it longer at the back, shorter here. But you might tell me it feels a bit boring.
Yes.
That's why I feel like you want to change. So
I always had hair like this.
Okay,
Not
let's
cool.
not think much about it. The more you think about it, the
very
more you're kind of, you would feel hesitated. Yeah? Let me get my scissor before you change your mind.
I just want to look good.
Okay, let's get it down. I'll give you the breakdown of the price, then we can start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Slide it down. Turn. Can I take it? You can take it. Oh. You're gonna stick that a little more.
Okay. I love it.
Look, they're not much. I mean, literally. You wanna take them?
Yes.
Okay. I don't know what to say.
It's much better. I love it.
It's not just stylish and
yes.
sexy and healthy and everything.
Cool. Yeah. I love it so much. Yes.
I mean, I don't know, speechless. When it's healthy, it just delivers all the aspects of elegance.
Yeah, and this length is very good.
I ended up shifting the length a little bit higher at the back just to give you a little bit of feeling of it. I believe the treatment should have done the work and the hair should feel much healthier now. I need you to stop flat ironing, please.
Okay, and what else?
Like 100%. You could do a bit of touch up with the blow dry, but that's it.
Okay.
Because if you're gonna go back to the flat iron, you're gonna strip out the treatment that we have done today, and whatever still on the ends thin, you're gonna make it happen again. Okay?
Okay.
You feel lighter right away?
Yes.
Yeah.
And softer.
Yeah, like stunning on you.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get you to stand up for a minute. Yeah, the shape is perfect. Even the length, I like this length on you. It's not too long, it's not too short.
Yeah,
Turn.
like
You wanna see the back of the way?
I didn't see it yet.
Okay, hold the
I'm
mirror,
curious.
please. Hold the mirror.
Wow.
Okay. You see that? So I ended up lifting the the hair on the top, doing a good amount of texturizing because the hair is quite thick here, then leaving everything almost one length.
It's very nice.
And has a little bit of
Yeah.
length
I like
toward
it.
the front. It's
Nice.
good. You can put your hand through, do your own thing.
Oh, so soft. I like it.
Yeah, it's gonna show you blending with the gray. Okay, we're good.
So
Can you
much
turn,
better.
turn. What is that, Rami? Yeah.